Welcome to the future of marketing. Imagine a world where your marketing campaigns are smarter, faster, and more effective than ever before. A world where AI does the heavy lifting, giving you the power to focus on strategy, creativity, and scaling your business. Well, guess what? That future is now. Light bulb. Marketing is changing. Are you ready? AI-powered tools are revolutionizing the game, making campaigns smarter, faster, and more profitable. No more guesswork, no more wasted time, just results. 2025 belongs to those who adapt. Will you be one of them? The future is here. Don't get left behind. As we step into 2025, AI marketing tools are no longer a luxury. They're a necessity. Whether you're a solopreneur, a startup, or a global brand, embracing AI-driven marketing is the key to staying ahead in an ever-evolving digital landscape. The problem: why traditional marketing isn't enough. Let's face it, keeping up with marketing trends is overwhelming. Consumer behavior is shifting faster than ever. Competition is fierce, and the amount of data available is simply mind-blowing. If you're still relying on manual data analysis, trial and error strategies, and gut instincts, you're already falling behind. AI marketing tools change the game by automating repetitive tasks. No more wasting hours on data crunching. Providing real-time insights. Make informed decisions on the spot. Optimizing campaigns in real time, ensuring maximum ROI. The solution: AI tools that will revolutionize your marketing in 2025. So, which AI-powered tools should you be using to supercharge your marketing strategy? Let's break it down. HubSpot AI CRM predicts customer behavior, helping businesses close more deals faster. Albert AI automates entire marketing campaigns so you can focus on big-picture strategy. Acquisio uses AI to maximize your ad performance and reduce wasted ad spend. MonkeyLearn and Automator automate text analysis and repetitive workflows, saving you time and resources. Real-world success stories, AI in action. Want proof that AI marketing tools actually work? Here are 3 real-life success stories. An e-commerce brand struggling with high ad costs cut its cost per acquisition by 30% and boosted conversions by 25%, all thanks to AI-driven ad optimization. A B2B software company used AI-powered CRM insights to increase sales qualified leads by 50%, leading to massive revenue growth. A major retail brand leveraged AI for social media personalization, achieving a 40% boost in engagement and a 20% increase in sales. A marketing strategy that runs 24/7, analyzing data, predicting trends, and optimizing your campaigns without you lifting a finger. This isn't science fiction. This is the power of AI marketing tools in 2025. No more guesswork. No more wasted ad spend. No more late nights struggling to keep up. AI is changing the game, and the businesses that embrace it will be the ones dominating the market. Imagine launching a campaign that automatically adjusts itself for maximum ROI. Imagine targeting the right audience with laser precision. Imagine your competitors wondering how you're always one step ahead. The secret: AI-driven automation, smart insights, and cutting-edge technology that transform your marketing from good to unstoppable. So, are you ready to level up and take the lead in 2025? Drop a comment below if you're ready to embrace the future. Final thoughts. The future of marketing is AI-driven. AI isn't just the future of marketing, it's happening right now. Businesses that embrace AI will win the game, while those that resist, well, they'll struggle to keep up. So, are you ready to revolutionize your marketing strategy? Drop a comment below and tell me, Which AI tool are you most excited to try in 2025? And don't forget to subscribe for my next video, where I reveal the best AI tools for business automation. Movie camera light bulb.